Now, Jubilee and NASA rivals now appear headed for another round of face-off after a planned meeting convened by IEBC to thrash out differences ahead of the repeat presidential poll failed to materialize on Tuesday. NASA principals led by Raila Odinga and Jubilee led by Deputy President William Ruto appeared at the anniversary towers at different times, leading to the collapse of the planned meeting. And as our senior political reporter Duncan Haemba now tells us, the push and pull over the joint meeting appear to have provided the protagonists a new front of fight.
The anniversary towers along University Way once again witnessed political drama as NASA and Jubilee political heavyweights engaged in mind games, leaving IEBC at a loss. Shortly after 11 a.m. enters Raila Odinga, Kalonzo Musyoka, Musalia Mudavadi, and Moses Wetangula, leading a NASA battalion for an appointment with IEBC alongside Jubilee. But after an hour, a furious NASA emerged, expressing their disappointment.
We are of the view that the IEBC was not quite ready for this meeting, and they have given us a document that we are seeing for the first time. So our view is that a lot more needs to be done, where all parties can be brought to the table to discuss the way forward in these elections.
The leaders accused Jubilee of taking them for a ride by holding a parliamentary group meeting at State House instead of attending the IEBC meeting.
We have been in the IEBC. Our presidential candidate, Honorable Raila Odinga, is here. His running mate, Honorable Kalonzo, is here. And we did not see the presidential candidate from Jubilee, neither did we see the running mate.
And with that, they left in a half, walking away in what can as well be interpreted as a protest walkout from IEBC negotiating table. And after about 15 minutes, Jubilee Party delegation arrived, led by Deputy President William Ruto. In tow were majority leaders in Parliament, Aden Duale and Kipchumba Murkomen. But with NASA having stormed out, no meeting would take place.
The meeting was confirmed last evening, right? We had already scheduled a parliamentary group meeting this morning. It took longer than we thought. But you can see me here. There is a confirmation that we were not trying to run away from the meeting. It's just that the meeting was confirmed late.
Jubilee Party made its position clear with regard to the 17th October fresh presidential poll.
The preparation of the election is a function, constitutional function of IEBC. They don't share that function with us. So when the meeting takes place, or if they fail to take place, the IEBC must be focused on preparing for the elections on the 17th of August. That is a function, that is a mandate they don't share with us.
I want to assure you that as NASA, we are ready to have a structured meeting where all the cards are on the table. We are ready to put our cards on the table.
Sources say IEBC had agreed to reschedule the meeting to Thursday morning.
I have, however, asked the IEBC that Thursday is a bit complicated for us because we have cabinet. And for your information, even as we engage in all this, we have a government to run. And that's part of the challenge that sometimes comes with the territory. So that's the reason.
A similar meeting failed to take place last Friday. That dramatic turn of events in what was supposed to be an IEBC NASA Jubilee meeting points to one direction: a political stalemate, with slightly over a month before the 17th October fresh presidential election. Duncan Haemba, KTN News at the Anniversary Towers.